Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log cell in Excel. Okay, how to log cell formulas and how to log multiple cell. If you want to, if you don't want to edit by others, so you can log it in Excel. There is a simple process. I'm going to show in this video. Though, so before you start, before you start, I'm requesting you, if you're new on this channel, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So without time wasting, let's start with the video. So here you can log but specific folder, or if specific raw, or you can log specific cell to protect. You can protect the specific cell to overwriting. Okay, so let's start a video. I'm here. I have some example like names, and this is month, like month wise. This is sale, I think. Yeah, this is sale. Okay, and this is total. So I have here formulas. So I want to non-editable. I want to keep it is non-editable. Okay, so here, in order to protect your Excel sheet or particular sale or specific sale, so here there is a three steps. So follow the these three steps, and you can protect your Excel sheet. Okay, so here you can see the names, and this is the sales as per months, and this is sum. You can see this is the formulas. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, first you need to protect your whole Excel sheet. So click on this. You want to protect all Excel sheet rows and columns, so click on this, and now click right and go to the formula cells. Here you can find protection, the last option in custom list, and make sure this is clicked. Okay, so make sure it is click and click on OK. Okay, so whole, now your whole sheet is protected now. Okay, so if you want to particular specific folder, or specific cell, if you want to unhide or unprotect or edit, you want to keep it editable particular cell. So here this is a particular process specific raw. You can I am you can leave it like protection, like you can protect them. So if you want to, this is the formulas, you can protect them. Okay, so here this is sales, which is can be editable by your employees and people's. You want to keep it as a editable, so select all scroll or cell or row or column, and click right, go to the formulas and go to the protect and untick him. Make sure it is untick and click. Okay, so we have applied two step here. So implement this two step. So this is the final step I'm going to show you. Go to the review and click on protect sheet. Click on protect sheet and make sure this is selected. And you can, if you want, you can give the password. Okay, so if you want to give password, you can give the password and click. So now you can see this can't be edit, this can't be edit, but this sales number can be edit. The formula is keep in, keep it same, you not be editable. Okay, name also you can't. Sorry, I think name I have kept, name I have kept, I think only. Okay, if you want to keep if you want to protect name also, you can select and go to formulas. You have to select from first. I did not select this. I think one I have selected. Okay, so that is how you can protect sheet, or you will lock your data or formulas from overwriting. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.